Here's a 2012 Subaru Forester. Providing confidence in all conditions, Forester's nimble handling and unsurpassed safety are truly grace under pressure. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. H4 engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth, external memory control, first and second row express open and close sliding sunroof, 8-way driver's seat control, and automatic transmission. Popular Mechanics adds, Forester also has that elusive and all-important automotive trait, personality. The Forester still has whimsy. Live in the moment and love every minute in your Subaru. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call, click, or stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Worcester Road.